motherfucking morning. It's your girl Kimberly back with another vlog. It's Mother's Day edition, and we are in DC about to go on a premiere cruise, and I'm so excited because all you can eat buffet. They got mimosas, they got sangrias, they got good stuff. It's a beautiful day. I'm excited. Yes. Feliz Dia de las Madres.
Feliz Dia de las Madres, mi sobrina.
Shout out to everybody. Okay, but look at this view. And I think we gotta go over there. There's like a little pier over there. Yeah, it's gonna be so freaking nice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, we're boarding. Look at the boat. Bruh, look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. And there's the food. Para el Día de Madres. Officially now it is 10:18. Look at this view. Look at this. Look at all this ocean. Look how cute! I'm about to get off the cruise about a hand, but I'm on like my, I don't even know what. And the cruise is over. We're back on land. But you know, it was so good. Music was good. Food was good. Drinks were top tier because I am lit. But have a good one. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, why did I say it to him? What the fuck? I said it like twice now. We're about something now, but I don't know what. I'll let you know what we figure out. But it's a pretty day. We're in DC. We're gonna definitely spend the day here. Come on. Okay, y'all. We are still in DC. We're about to the monuments and just walk around here because it's like such a pretty place. And bruh, it took us literally like 10 minutes to find parking, but we literally found good ass parking, luckily, and we had to U-turn for that shit, but we found it. So I am just so excited to be here and like enjoy the day. Like I freaking am so happy right now. Okay, we at the water fountain. What y'all think? Okay, we are now, huh?
Did we go on a field trip to DC in elementary school or my trip?
I don't remember, maybe though. We are at the about to be at the Lincoln Memorial. Basically, we're walking right now, and I just am thinking about how people really got into this lake during COVID when it's dirty as shit. Like I'm just like, how do people do that? Like I don't understand, but you know, I don't know, but yeah, we better walk, and it's hot as fuck. And I want ice cream, but the guy that I wanted ice cream from, he didn't have any flavors that I wanted. Oh my god, look at this duck. Hopefully you don't leave. Hold on, let me show you guys him. Oh, he left. Oh, look at he jumps up. Look how they jump up.
Streaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At the AM that night, under the palm tree.
I'm sorry, guys.
Every sun I came alive when summer died. I didn't want it to.
Not us another bar.
Not another bar. Alright, y'all gotta get in here real quick because Mother's Day was memorable as hell, okay? And I hope I got enough clips because I'm about to explain to y'all why I didn't get more, because I did do more on Mother's Day. So as y'all saw, we were walking around DC, going to the monuments, all this stuff. Keep in mind, my camera had already been hanging on by a thread because the screen was like on the verge of coming off. But I had been so careful with my camera that I made sure that that was not gonna happen. But on Mother's Day, it did happen. The screen literally broke off. I literally broke off the screen. I cannot tell y'all how upset I was. I was literally like, my day was blown. I was so mad because I couldn't even turn on my camera. Like, my camera was done for. So that's why I hope I got enough clips for this little Mother's Day that I did, because the cruise was so fucking beautiful. The food was amazing, the service was amazing. Like, it was just so good. Like, I would definitely recommend that stuff, and I'm definitely gonna look into more like events like that in DC with that company, because it was just like beautiful. Like, they were even giving raffles out. I didn't win, but just the fact that they were doing raffles was lit. But yeah, so you know, we ate on the cruise, walked around DC, and then I ended up getting pisco y nazca, which I got for my birthday. Cause ceviche, oh my god, ceviche was so fucking good. Like, I had to get it again, especially since we were in DC. So I did, and that's the moment when my camera broke, so I couldn't really record that. So yeah, but Mother's Day was amazing. I loved being in DC. The weather was so good. Like, the atmosphere was just beautiful. I loved it. Being with my family, it was just so good. But back to my camera issue. So my camera was broken, right? I got my camera at Best Buy, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to Best Buy, see what they can do. Best Buy basically told me that I have to contact Canon, the actual like manufacturer, because they don't do repairs, especially not repairs on freaking broken screens. So I did contact Canon, and basically I sent my camera over there to get like evaluated, even though I knew what the issue was, and they knew it as well because we talked about it on the phone. They still evaluated it, gave me a price. Basically they told me that they couldn't fix the screen, so they were gonna just give me a whole new camera. I'd have to pay a certain price. So this is my issue. So they had given me a price on the phone when I called them, but that was like an estimate, but it ended up being like the actual price of the repair. But it was like they didn't repair screen, so they were just giving me a whole new camera, but it was only half of what a whole new camera would be. Because I was like, should I just buy a new camera, honestly? But a new camera, like exact same camera that I want, it will be like almost $700, and I ended up only paying $370 something for them to replace my camera. So it's a half of literally a new camera. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna pay Canon and get a new camera. And Canon really did the fucking thing, because I thought that this would take 2 weeks because the guy on the phone told me that it could take that long. So I was expecting that. No, literally Canon got my camera a day or two later, evaluated, gave me the report the next day, and then when I paid, because I paid like immediately because I already knew what I was gonna do. So I wanted a camera, and if I can get a cheaper camera for, you know, same camera for a cheaper price, why not? So basically I paid and then sent it over, and they got the receipt and everything, and then they literally shipped my camera in a day. I got it the next day, bro. So I've had this camera since, I would say almost a month now, I think, but I haven't really used it since Mother's Day because I just like, one, I haven't really had shit to do, and then two, I've just been so like stressed about using my camera because I don't want to go through this ever again, because I had never had any issue with my freaking camera. It was just that one day that I decided to put it on my car mount when I was driving across the bridge, that it fell, and from there it just was fucked. It was just slowly dying. But it's all good now. I got a new camera, same freaking camera, Canon G7X. I fucking love it, Mark II. And I am just so happy because actually this weekend I got shit planned, but it's actually the day after. But I did go get drinks with some friends of mine from work on Friday last night, and it was just so fun, bro. Like, it was so fun. But I do want to give y'all a little rundown before I put on the next little clips, because this weekend is going to be fucking fun as hell, bro. It is June 10th today. I'm going to the DC parade for Pride. I'm gonna get fucking drunk, high. Like, it's gonna be a fucking time. The weather is so beautiful today. Like, I'm just in the best mood. Like, oh my god, another little update actually. Y'all, I finally got my medical card. I finally got it, bro, and it is the best thing I could have ever done. I literally just went to get some pre-rolls because I can, because I literally have a medical card. And that shit actually really does help. Like, people really do get it for just because they want like easier access, you know, to cannabis. But like, I really have nausea and pain, and like, this shit is so helpful. Like, I cannot tell y'all how amazing this has been. Like, it is just so nice to be able to go to a dispensary, walk in, be like, I want this or that, and they give it to me. And I don't have to worry about where the fuck it came from because it's been tested, you know, grown. Like, they know what the fuck they're doing. So it's just so good. Like, I'm just so happy today. So I'm so excited to go to Pride, because my first Pride, bro, ever. Like, I've always worked or been busy on the day of the parade, and today I'm not. So I'm just so excited. Going with some friends, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. And then tomorrow I'll be back in DC again because the University of District of Columbia is doing a Taste of Peru event. So it's a bunch of restaurants that have Peruvian, you know, cuisine and dishes, and we get to just try them and just experience like Peruvian culture. It's gonna be, I think, music and a bunch of stuff. So I'm just so excited. I'm with my mom tomorrow. It is gonna be so fun. Like, this weekend I'm so excited to vlog it because it's gonna be a fucking time. It's gonna be a time. But yeah, anyways, with that being said, let's get into the first clips of this weekend, and I hope y'all enjoy because I know I am. Okay, so I couldn't record because my SD card decided to run out, but I went to Best Buy to get a new one. And what do we got? Also, Ymir?
What happened?
We got the liquor.
Oh, I got the liquor. I got a bottle of Jose Cuervo.
Yeah, so we gotta get liquor.
You know, celebrating Pride, starting off right. You already fucking know. You feel me? Like,
yes. And we got hella fucking weed. And
girl, you know that it's about to be legal. We got
yeah, we got the kush. So it's about to be lit. We're about to be in DC, and we're just here waiting for the metro to come. So hopefully it comes soon, because I think we have like a few stops, like,
yeah, like a couple,
like less than the other side. We're in Shady Grove. Usually I go to Glenmont or Forest Glen, but Shady Grove is closer to DuPont Circle, so that's good.
Right. So
yes,
we live.
Yes, we love it for Pride. Okay, we're about to take the first shot of the night.
First shot of the day. You already know we got a little fifth because when we get to DC, bitch, we're drinking. So not too much.
Not too much. Not even a whole bottle. Not too much. Oh. Okay. But can you hold on. I'm gonna get a chaser though. I ain't a champ like a mirror.
Yeah, I take it straight just like they meant. So, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't even know. Guys be claiming they're straight all the time trying to fuck with me. Whole time. Okay, period. Okay, bitch. Thank you. Yes! And we got a bad bitch serving us liquor. Look at that. Sexy ass bitch.
Am I recording? Oh, I am.
Now we got some Henny adult Capri Suns. You feel me? Yeah.
Bitch, we lit it here. Where's your blood? Where's your blood?
Oh, wait.
Living our best life ever. We in this long ass fucking line. Look how long this line is.
Just to get into the
No,
bar.
we're about to get into this club.
Bar, club, whatever the fuck. It's been an eventful Friday.
Yeah, talk about
Girl,
talk your shit.
talk my shit real quick. It's been an eventful Friday. We went from having someone pass out. We went from having someone trying to fight Kimmy for no reason. But she held her own. 'Cause she's not pussy. She was like, what's the reason? Skip to Cardi B's fucking clip. What's the reason, bitch?
What's the reason?
No, but literally. And then I kissed somebody randomly at the parade. Someone was recording me trying to fuck on me in the club. It was too much.
That's just like a day in DC.
A day in DC, DuPont Circle.
Yep. And now we're going home. And I'm gonna be with my man, and it's gonna be a good night.
A good fucking night. You already know what the fuck going on. Part 2 tomorrow on her channel. Stay tuned.
Never in all my years of being on the metro have I ever taken the elevator.
Never.
Never. My god, y'all, we made it. We're almost there. Almost there. It is 2:26 in the fucking morning. We just got back
Literally, and we're tired
to
of
my car. Like, we done fell asleep on the metro. Thank god we didn't miss our stop. But I'm tired. I'm tired as fuck.
We basically spent the last hour or two in the metro.
Because literally we had to move from the green line to the red line.
And we kept
the
waiting
red
for the
line,
longest.
once we got on it, our stop.
Over 30 minutes. Wait.
Yes, like it was like, bro, I fell asleep, like ridiculous. But yeah, I'm gonna drop Humor off and call it a night. Good night. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It is June 11th. It's Sunday. Oh, I'm gonna to work tomorrow, but I think about that today. We are going to Taste of Peru at the University of District of Columbia. I'm just waiting for my mom to get ready. I'm pretty much ready. I'm going with this dress. I believe I've showed this to y'all before or worn this in like some video, but I feel good. Cause especially after last night, oh, I need to shower. I need to get myself together. Like I woke up with makeup, mascara. Oh god, it was not good. But that's not how it is now. I just not put on any makeup because mascara, I love it, but my eyes are just so sensitive and I can kind of feel like my eyes are a little bit irritated, so I'm like not gonna put any makeup on. I'm just going with my earrings And I was thinking about putting lipstick on. I was going to yesterday too, but I was eating and drinking, like I don't want shit on my straws, and you know, it's okay. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna be restaurants in DC from all over the DMV, and I'm just so excited to try restaurants that I haven't had. Like there's one restaurant I think is gonna pull up there. It's called Inca Social, and I haven't been able to go there yet. So I'm gonna see what's up with that. But yeah, I'm so freaking excited, and it's like a nice ass day. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees later, so hope that I don't like sweat my ass off like I did yesterday. But yeah, we better head out soon, so I'll talk to y'all whenever I pick up my camera next. Hey, we here. Taste of Peru. Hey, I'm about to get my hair straightened. Bye. Bro, she really slayed my hair. Like,
Got a little bit my violet shawty, she my problem. Oh, and if you ever got it, baby, I'm a solver, baby. You're fine, not trying to waste your time. She said, I need you in my life. Girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie. But if you do, just save my life, save my life.
but y'all, what's about to lock up?
Why you playing me? You know that you fun with me.
Much better than it gets.
I try to give you my attention, you are not of it. I thought I gave you all my love, but it wasn't enough.
Esta salsa, ustedes sacan pareja, chicas, y todos van a bailar, ¿ah? Navarro, Tim, vamos, suéltalo. Con sabor a Perú, con el grupo Niche Niche de Colombia, Santa Lucía. Hay la cervecita, ahí también nuestro pisco, hay la chicha morada, estaba buscando por ahí muy poca chicha morada. Pero después tenemos todo lo demás, ¿eh? Cevichito, la carapulca, todo lo demás, todo lo que pueda usted imaginar en cuanto a lo que es el menú peruano. Los muchachitos de Papalca, ¿ya están listos? ¿Ready? Bueno, y después de ello tendremos la ceremonia. Así es, una ceremonia cortita de inauguración del regreso de este Festival del Sabor Peruano 2023. Y luego vendrá otra demostración de lo que es la cultura peruana, de unos muchachos que han cultivado por años y años lo que es la representación.
Muchísimas gracias. 3.
Inaugurado oficialmente Tesos Perú 2023. Gracias a ustedes, nuestra gente peruana, a cada uno de ustedes con su presencia que hacen grande esta fiesta.
Had to take home some food. Look at all this food we're taking home. Taste of Peru was a success, and I can't wait for next year. On the metro now. What do you think about the Taste of Peru? What did you think? Yo, I did not know that there were different dances. Like, I mean, I knew, but I never like seen them really. But it was just so nice, and like I just got emotional like watching the performances. I was like, damn, like I really love Peruvian culture. Like I just love my culture, and I'm like, I need to go to Peru. So fingers crossed for like next year, but it was so good. I'm definitely gonna go again next year. And I'm better prepared for next year because one thing about it, you need to bring bags, you need to bring water. You just gotta be prepared because you don't want to be holding this and that. It's just not. So I know now for next year, but I'm tired, going home now, and I'm about to crush the rest of the food that we got because the person is gonna get food to take home. After this long ass drive, like 3-4 hours basically, it's like it was literally like I was driving to New Jersey. Seriously, like it was such a long drive. There's so much traffic. There's traffic on the bridge, and I don't fuck with bridges. Bridges give me anxiety. I don't want to die on the bridge, so being stuck on the bridge is just not fun. But we're at the beach now and just chilling, living our best life. But the thing is, we can't go in, but I kind of don't want to go in anyways. But you know, just having the option was better. But now I don't have an option at all, and now it's like you can't go in. But at least, you know, looking at it is nice. Hey, what's happening? Big love. Bring me out the pussy, I've been naked. Bitches acting like they running shit they really been through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall out. I hate to bring you bad news. Let me pop off. Leave the club, sloppy drunk. Go home and get my rocks off. Herbie's from the south. He's trying to see me knock his socks off. At the top, think they got lost. I'm gonna go like crazy. Best. I'ma get me pregnant.
Not at all.
Feel like Shawty love. Laughing to the bank, but shit is not a joke.
What's your phone?
Imaginary smoke. Bitches say, and put it on the floor. Feel like Shawty love. Laughing to the bank, but shit is not a joke. She got a problem. Imaginary smoke. Bitches set it up and put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, but your man know if you don't what's happening.
That's so cute.
Guys, the blonde biggest color right. Damn, they fought over this lyric. That's crazy.
I can help
Guys
you.
with the hair. Oh my god, yes, tell what just happened.
Okay, so basically my car broke down today, right? And Kimmy and I already had beach plans anyway, so she basically said when she got here, she jumped my car. So like two girls in STEM that we are, we jumped this, well, we're trying to jump this car, and this short, fat, white, bald man, which honestly, I told Kimmy, this is like their forte. He was like, can I help? And we were like, please! So he's helping
No,
us.
bro, please.
He was jumping the car, then rotation by Stunner Girl starts playing. It got real ratchet. He kind of was just.
Bro, she was like, biatch. She was like, I
the rotation. But yeah, we got funny pictures of it, and now the car is in action. Just ordered wings. Just got off the beach, living.
Yes. Oh my god. Like. Wait, what wings did you get? What flavor?
They're called addiction wings. So it's like their addiction sauce, and then it has like blue cheese, and it has bacon something on it.
You like blue cheese?
Yes.
I don't. I like ranch. I'm a ranch girl. I tried blue cheese. It's not like I hate it. It's more like I would prefer ranch if that's an option, you know?
Yeah. I like both for real.
This is the song that they heard. This part exactly. Alright, we have to stop at 7-Eleven because I am dehydrated. Y'all have no idea how good this water tastes right now. And yes, I bought another water. Bought some of these mini donuts. And M&M's and Kit Kat. So much for disciplining myself, right? And also a soda. That's because I want to eat it with my Peruvian chicken that I got, okay? From El Pollo Rico. But, you know, this will be day by day, you know, not like every fucking minute I'll finish it. Okay, I just spilled all of it, but whatever. I looked her up. Sorry, I don't want anyone to like break in. What did you get?
Just water.
Just water, damn.
Bitch, now we got the same water I'm weak.
Oh yeah. This shit tastes so good. Good motherfucking morning. It is, what time is it?
It is
9:05 in the morning. And I'm with my bestie Ymir. Amara had to go. She went to the beach again. Lucky ass bitch.
Did y'all
but-
vlog?
Yeah, we
that
did
part?
actually. We did.
Period.
But,
I would have
yeah.
popped out, but I'm not a beach girl. I'm the type, I already have anger issues as it is. So when the heat's out, bitch,
Yeah.
you don't want to deal with
no,
me.
but luckily by the time I got there, the sun was kind of like not even there anymore. Damn, bitch, you okay?
Shayna. We
Not,
can joke about that now.
not
It
in my
happened.
car. Not in my car.
Imagine if a bitch was sick and she's like, bitch, get the fuck out.
Oh my god.
Honestly, no bullshit.
No, I haven't gotten sick in a while though. I don't need to get sick again, you know.
Girl, that's how I was walking this morning after some dick. Shayna,
I'm
what
not
if
about
you
to show y'all,
Yeah,
but
let's
he
not do
walking
that.
a little
Oh my
like
God,
like
what if
he's limping or something.
Nah, I feel bad. Yeah.
I don't know. Hopefully it's not because he got a condition or something. Hopefully just because.
Yeah, because we don't laugh.
But he looks like he's limping because maybe he got hurt. Maybe his foot hurt. I don't know. So last night we went to the beach and after that, we went back to Amara's and
I linked them at
yeah,
night,
and then
but
we linked with Ymir, but we didn't
that
vlog
last
because I was so tired. I didn't even get in the water. I think it was just all the driving I did. But basically now we're at Denny's, you know, smoking, having a little wake and bake because, you know, what we do here. And then we're gonna go eat some Denny's because I'm hungry and I want some mimosas, okay?
Some older man.
Okay, and Ymir just has an obsession with older men. Especially not on Father's Day. Not on Father's Day when all the Denny's are out.
I love older men. Especially on Father's Day, they deserve the love too. You
remember giving that love every day though.
I love older men. I love them.
Not when he's walking with his wife.
But you don't give a fuck about his raggedy ass wife. She don't know how to do it like I do. She don't know how to do it like I do.
got it.
What's up?
We're at Denny's waiting for our food. I got the lumberjack slam. It's like a breakfast sampler from IHOP. But I got French toast with a pancakes. But I don't really like pancakes like that. And what did you get, Ymir?
I got a grand sandwich.
That'd be good as fuck. Ooh. How is it?
I love fries. I'll never be disappointed with fries.
Denny's does not start serving mimosas until 10 a.m. Yes, I did wait until 10 a.m.
And she waited until 10 a.m. and she got herself that bottle.
Okay, you're saying it's just one cup. Yeah, it's more like he's lit, not me. Ymir's hotel room. His bed is comfortable as shit. And we're watching College Hill.
School, 2 black people in the school. That's gonna change it. It's gonna wake them up. You know what I mean? I would at least try to exercise a little bit more organization with our people before we started like